Hi, how are you? Let's draw a man from the letter T. We can begin from T here, draw like this. Then we can draw another line this, like this, connect it like here and like this one. This is becoming hat. We can put the face like this. Let's draw the eyebrow and the eyes here. This is the nose and the lips. All right, let's put the neck here. This is the collar of the dress. Let's draw a straight line, put some button along the straight line so the dress looks good. This is the shoulder and the head, shoulder and the hand. Let's draw like this, hands here, and draw another line like this and the hands here. All right. So this is the basic drawing. Now we can do little detailing to make it more good. We can connect the two lines here and here. Let's put the shades on the head. All right, heads is here. We can put shades on the head here. Let's put little shades below the heads. This is the face. Let's put little shades in the neck too. And the dress. We can do it along the button and the shoulder. This shoulder too, to the dress, also to this dress, and the hands. These hands too. All right, this is the book pocket. So the man looks good. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.